Yes, guys, please let your friends also know that the session has started. If you have any queries regarding the labs, please let me know in the chat box or Q&A section, guys. Have any आपको कोई क्वेरीज है तो चैट बॉक्स या Q&A सेक्शन में डालो. आई एम हियर टू हेल्प यू. Okay, no worries. Anant, I'll be explaining that again. If you didn't understand the previous session, I'll be explaining that again. How to complete the lab. Okay. Let's let your friends also join in the session. I'll be doing that. Okay. I'll be completing the first lab so that you can understand detailedly what we have to do. Hi guys, good evening. Okay, good evening, good evening. Launch, is this how you talk to sir? Hello, what is this? Hello? Yes, okay, no worries. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening. Guys. Okay, some of your friends are with the labs. I'll be repeating about the lab once again. Just today's session will be repeating the lab once again. No worries. Let your friends also join and we'll be continuing the labs. Please let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. Okay, hello guys, good evening. Okay, no worries if you have completed the lab, just go through it again because some of your friends haven't understood. I could not understand how to do exercise labs. Yeah, some of them, yeah, good evening, guys. Some of the students haven't understood the labs yet. I'll be reporting that again, okay? Yes. What is this? Hello, guys. Give me this. Hello, these are all just good evening. That's all. From now on, you are going to enter into corporate. Just try to use one sub post. Okay. Once, of course. What do you mean by once, of course? I think one lab difference between. Yeah, what is difference between? I think you are talking about the lab. Generative language models and large generative AI. We have generative language models. I don't know what are they. Sir, I have told about the exam. What can you talk? Regarding that, I'll be informing you very soon. Both are same. Yeah, both are same. Large language models, generative language models. Both are same. Both are same. They'll be informing you very soon. Till Monday, I will be giving you a confirmation. On second, you're going to have the exam set. From second, you're having this exam set. No worries. I'll be giving you confirmation till Monday. No worries regarding that. Just we'll be waiting 2 more minutes. So let your friends to join. Please let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. Very few people have joined this today's session. Only 30 people. Daily 60 to 70 people used to join. Please let your friends also know that the session has started. Once again, I will be explaining the labs, and this is only 1 hour session. Till 7 we'll be ending the session. On Monday, we are going to have another session, a 2 hours session. Okay, you have completed first lab. That's okay. First lab, first course video. Okay. Try to complete those 3 videos and you will be able to access the lab. I've completed the video and case both. Okay, try to complete those videos, guys. Till I think till activity, move on it again. Till activity 3, you need to complete the video and the quiz. Till activity 3, you need to complete video and quiz. In activity 4, we are going to have lab. That lab I am going to discuss now. Okay. Activity 4, we are going to have lab. That lab we are going to discuss now. Yes, guys. Yeah, from fourth activity, you can go through video app. Thank you, Abhinav Yago, for answering. Okay. Try to complete 3 activities first. The first 3 activities, you are going to have only videos. Am I clear with that? पहले आपको 3 एक्टिविटीज कंप्लीट करना है. उसके बाद लैब्स होगा. फर्स्ट 3 एक्टिविटीज में वीडियोस है, क्विजेस है. उस वीडियो का बारे में गूगल को समझ आना था कि आपको समझ में आया कि नहीं, इसलिए क्विज वीडियो के बारे में क्विज है. ओके, let me share my screen, then I think today's strength is this much only. Okay, let me share my screen. This is 80%, but huh. Yeah, you need to complete, guys. 80% pass mark, you need to complete the 80%. Okay, no need to worry. First, you need to check what are the answers you are keeping first. Then some from them, maybe 1 or 2 will be correct. Remember that option and try to take the quiz once again so that you can complete the quiz. पहले आप पहले आप क्विज दीजिए, जस्ट रैंडम ऑप्शन से 1-2 तो करेक्ट होंगे, वो ऑप्शंस लिख लो और फिर से दे दो. सेम क्वेश्चन से आएंगे, सेम क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चंस चेंज भी नहीं होंगे. नो नीड टू वरी. इस क्विज बहुत आसान है guys. पहले ऑप्शंस दो, ऑप्शन लिख लो, जो भी ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो वो भी लिख लो. फिर से एक और दो, वो करेक्ट नहीं हुआ तो 3 बार 5 बार, वो लिमिट नहीं है क्विज देने के लिए. You don't have a limit to write a quiz, guys. You can write quiz for a number of times. Right. So let's continue the session then. Let me share my screen first. Let me share my screen and explain you. Okay, so that you can able to understand clearly what I am doing. Google skill boost. Did you create school Google skill boost account, guys? Please participate in the. Sir, please list courses or labs that we. No worries, no worries. I will be sharing that. Intermediate labs we have, advanced labs we have. For generative AI only we have introduction, sorry, beginners, advanced, intermediate. Those three labs you need to complete. I'll be sharing the link very soon, no worries. First try to complete these labs first. Okay. Let me share my screen then. Share my screen. Yeah. Let me start a upload. Did you create create skill boost account? Google skill boost account. Did you create skill boost Google skill boost account? Did you create skill boost Google skill boost account, guys? I want a response from everyone. Yes or no? I have started a poll. Please participate in the poll. You can find the poll options, or it will be directly displayed. Just participate in the poll, guys. I want a response from everyone so that I'll be explaining again how to create a skill boost. Okay. For everyone completed that, that's great. Yes, guys, I want everyone to participate in the poll. Go to poll to participate, guys. Everyone. Okay, no worries then. 3 to 4 they haven't completed to you. Okay. 3 to 4 people are saying that they haven't completed the skill boost account. Okay. If genuinely they haven't completed, I'll be helping. If it is for the time pass, okay. We're not doing anything for that. I'll be helping you how to create an skill boost account. First, we need to search for most of them have completed. If you haven't completed this case, this is a simple step. If you haven't completed this, think where you are. You are very behind. So many people have completed, have logged into signed in an account and started learning path. You are very backward, guys. Please try to complete it today or now. Try to complete it now, okay? The others try to complete it now. Go to this particular website. Then click on see. Uh, then click on sign in, or it will show you same pop-up. If it is not showing you the same pop-up, continue with the particular account. Go to sign in. I'm going to sign in. Click on sign in with Google. Okay, don't click on sign in with Google. Sorry. Sign out, sign out. Sign. Give your mail and login, guys. Give your mail and login. Please try to give your mail and login. Okay. Create account. First, create your account. Please try to give your mail and create your account, guys, so that it will be easy for you whenever you want to log in into another account, another laptop or another system. It will be helpful to you. So try to log in with username and password. Am I clear with that? If you have already created, no worries. You can just press on forgot password also. You can create password there. But if you are creating from scratch now, please try to do in this manner. Click on sign in, then create your account. Don't directly click on sign in with Google. Create your account. That is the best practice because you have your password for later on. Okay. After creating your account, what you need to do? Then you need to log in with your account. Okay. Email and password, you can log in with your account. Right now, I'm logging with directly Google. I hope all of you have completed that. Let me sign up for you so that you can understand what you are going to get at the first. Whenever search, why does this option is not working? Okay, I will directly. Can you share me the beginners lab link, guys? Can anyone share me the beginners lab link? Can anyone please share me the beginners lab link? Yes, guys. Can anyone? Yes, guys. Can you hear me first? First, can you respond? Can you hear me or not? Yes, guys. Can you hear me? Yeah. Thank you for your response, guys. Why very no. But you share me the beginners link, guys. Beginners link. Okay, no worries. Okay, I'll be sharing that. It's already been late. It is beginners link. Copy the path. Okay, thank you. Thank you for sharing, guys. Thank you, everyone. Once again, thank you. Okay, let me share the entire screen first. Physics, physics, nothing, guys. Just choose some random options for now. रैंडम ऑप्शन चूज करो, रिमेम्बर करो क्या ऑप्शन चूज कर रहे हो, उसके बाद सबमिट करो. जस्ट डोंट यूज रैंडम ऑप्शन, जस्ट गो थ्रू इट डिटेलली. आप जब वीडियो देखेंगे ना, ये क्लियर होगा. If you are seeing a video, guys, you will get a clarity what are the options you need to choose. Okay. Coming to the options and questions are only jumbling, guys. This is just a simple quiz. No need to worry about the quiz. Let me go to login then. If you the same way you need to complete all those labs. First you need to go to the quiz. Sorry, first you need to go to the video. On the video you are going to have a quiz. You need to complete the quiz. If you are completing all this, you are going to dashboard. If you are completing three learning, if you are completing three activities in the same way, you are going to be in the labs option. Okay. Fourth, in the fourth activity, you are going to have labs, guys. Am I clear with that? Once again, I'll be repeating that. See, let me copy this, Control C, and paste it again. Activity 1, comma 2, comma 3, you are going to cover videos and quizzes. The activity 5th, you are going to have labs. Okay. Yeah, Abhishek, I'll be explaining you. You cannot go the you cannot leave the session now. Abhishek, if you are leaving the session, you are going to have not going to have the enough attendance at the end of the session. At that time, you are not going to come back and ask me about the attendance, right? I'm not going to help you at that time. If you are asking at that time about the attendance for me, I'm not going to help you there. Please stay in the session. Am I clear with that? Oh, complete those activities. Okay, sir, Abhishek. So, uh, complete those videos. All those three activities. Complete all those three activities, Abhishek. And in the fourth activity, come to complete first lab. Till Monday, I need everyone to complete that. If you complete the lab, yeah, thank you for your response, guys. I'll be explaining the lab once again because some of your friends haven't understood the lab yesterday. First, we'll going through the overview of the lab. In this lab, we are going to learn. First, you are going to understand what is this here. It explains what you are going to learn. In the first lab, we are going to learn prompt in designing. In Vertex lab, you are going to learn about the prompt designing. Okay, who was that? Asked about the lab. Anant, have you understood what you need to complete? And someone has asked me about the labs. Example of hallucination. Okay, I am doing what. No worries. Hallucination means a large language model is not trained like let's say latestly we are having Iran and Israel. I think they have ceasefire that regarding this the ChatGPT haven't trained yet. If you ask a query to ChatGPT, he will try to answer. He will try to hallucinate. That is what hallucination is. He does not know about the data, but he's trying to answer about it. Are you clear with that? Okay. I am doing, but there is no lab option coming. Okay. You are in first activity only, Abhinav. Try to complete all second activity, third activity. फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी में ही हो आप, सेकेंड एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट करो, थर्ड एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट करो, उसके बाद फोर्थ एक्टिविटी में आपको लैब मिलेगा. Okay, please explain lab to do that. Yeah, regarding the lab, okay. Thank you, Abhinav. Sorry, Abhishek, Abhinav. I need to keep in the mind. Thank you, Abhishek. That is a clear option. Example, the if LLM is trained on noisy data, or if LLM is not trained with the concept you are asking about, then that is going to be hallucinate about. It is going to give a response, but it is not going to be accurate. That is what I mean. Simple words, we can say that. Let's complete a lab then. Generative AI with Cortex AI prompt designing overview. Okay. In this lab, we are going to cover about prompt designing. Still, please explain it. Okay. Anand and Adarsh. Yeah. Anand and Adarsh, I want response from you. After completing the lab, just go through this. आपको three activity complete करना है. So basically, sir, we complete all the videos first. After that, complete labs. Yeah. First, you need to complete videos and quiz. Are going to have three videos and three quizzes. Then you need to hit the labs. First lab. Now completed first three activities. Okay, just listen to me now. What you have to do. First, just if you are leading this everything, you are going to understand clearly. First, we have an overview. In this overview, what is going to say is the lab exploring data engineering and best practice for designing effective prompt to improve quality of the LLM assessments generated response. Can you help solve the quiz? Regarding the quiz, guys, you need to go to the quiz. If I help with that also, that's a simple quiz. Please, okay. Please try to note down, okay. First, you are giving some options. पहले आप जो भी ऑप्शंस दिए हो आप नोट डाउन करो या आप माइंड में रिमेम्बर भी कर सकते हो. n number times you can give the quiz, okay. N number of times also you can give the quiz. No need to buy. Regarding the quiz, you need to work on it, guys. Please work on it because it is mandatory. That's a simple thing. Am I clear with that? You need to complete the quiz, guys. I need a thumbs up reaction from everyone. If you have any queries, you can drop it in the Q&A section also. Please, you need to work on the quiz, guys. So, is there any time for completing this assignment right now? I will not. Yeah, try to complete, guys. For till Monday, complete the lab. First lab, I want everyone to complete. Okay. If you are understanding this, if you have any queries, you can go to them. Okay. Till Monday, if you are working on this, you will be having some queries. After getting back on Monday's class, you can ask me those queries, and I'll be solving them. Right. So try to work on this lab till Monday so that later on every lab will be easy. Okay. All the labs, then I don't need to explain, guys. Once again, you will be completing those. Just give me a minute. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I hope you can see my screen. Then just leave, just leave the step-by-step process, then you can understand it very easily. First, we have a labs. We are saying that in this lab, you are going to understand the prompt engineering every step. And in this lab, you are going to use Gemini model. And if you have basics on Python and API key, then you are going to understand this lab easily. In this lab, you need to complete ideation process, question answering. Okay. Yeah. They started. Okay. Apply. Okay. No worries of that. Set up the requirements. First, what he's saying. First, we need to complete the requirements. First task is you need to complete the requirements. Before, you need to click on start button. If you click on start button, start the lab button, what you are going to have? A virtual lab you are going to have. Okay. Temporary lab. Temporary lab. Okay. My motorcycle. That's it. Let me submit this. Temporary, see, temporary lab you are going to have temporary console. Because to run our to complete our lab, we need a console, right? AWS console. To use an AWS console, we need money. So to learn about this console, AWS is going to give you a temporary login details for your console. Am I clear with that? Why you are clicking on Start Lab and what is a lab is? To to work on this lab, you need a console, GCP console, Google Cloud console. Am I clear with that? So to complete this lab, we need a console. But for creating a console, we need a money. As you seen, as you have faced a problem yesterday, some of your friends was facing a problem. It was asking a payment. That was console, right? Here, we are going to access a temporary console which is free by Google people. For temporary time only, you are going to have this console. After that, open link in incognito mode. Why are you opening in incognito mode? Just go through this. Use an incognito mode, a private browser window in to run the lab. This prevents conflict between your personal account and student account. What is your personal account and a student account? This is what a student account. Temporary account is a student account. Personal account means whenever you have a console. If you have a console for this account, like in if I have an account console account for Ritvik, you should not conflict between that, so that we are opening it in the incognito mode. If you have worked on AWS also, in AWS also same process. There also you are going to have some temporary lab access. Am I clear with the temporary lab, guys? Why we have a temporary lab? I need a response from everyone. We have a temporary lab because if you are access, if you want to run this lab, you need it. If you want to run this lab, you need a console. So for that console, yeah, they are giving temporary account for us. That's it. Temporary lab for us. Okay, I hope that's clear. After clicking on shot, he is saying that you need to click on open a new tab. Already I have opened the console in one new tab. After that, click on open console, right click on it. Okay, that's everything you've done. If necessary, copy that. Okay, if necessary, already it will be there. No need to worry. Welcome. Okay, important. You must use the credentials of the lab. Yeah, whatever the credentials they have provided here, you're only using that. After that, click through the subnet pages. Accept the yeah, terms and conditions. After that, what is here? What is saying that just accept the terms and conditions. Terms and condition. Administration. Okay. Still agree and continue. Then, if you go through here, we detailedly explain you after opening the console, after clicking on terms and conditions. Please remember that you need to use only these credentials. If you are using other credentials, also it is wrong. But after that, in the Google Cloud Console, go to navigation menu, or search. You can go to navigation menu or search options. Let's go to navigation menu for now. If you go to navigation menu, here you are going to find the workbench, or if you clicked on it, here also you are going to find the workbench. See, after going to our navigation menu, what is going to say is, if you did not get the, see, go to navigation menu, click on vertex, and go to workbench. Am I clear this with this? navigation menu में जाके vertex lab खोल के navigation menu के जाके vertex lab को open करके workbench पे क्लिक करना है. उसके बाद क्या करना है? Every step, guys, just go to the every step you can understand it. Find vertex AI Jupyter Labs. Then what you need to find? Vertex AI Jupyter Lab. We have found that. Then what is saying that? The Jupyter interface open the new tab. Okay. If you do not see the notebook, or your workbench instance opens in the new tab. Yeah, is it opening in the new tab? No, it is continuing. Notebook. Set up the notebook. Up till here, everything is clear, right, guys? Up till here, everything is clear. Don't you worry about this that line. After that, first task. Here we have completed the first task. Yeah, Anand and someone else was asking about the labs again. Let me see that who was it. I don't understand how to. Okay, Anand and Adarsh. Did you get it, Adarsh? Is Adarsh? Is yeah, Adarsh is in the session. Did you get it? Is it clear? Up till here, everything is clear, right, Adarsh? I want a response from you, others, because most of the students have understood the labs. Some of the students haven't understood. In them, you and Anand were them. Okay, Anand is responding. That's great. Adarsh, did you get it? Up till here, what we have discussed, did you get it, Adarsh? Okay, no worries. If you don't, no worries. If you are coming again in the next session, sir, please explain again. Okay, Priya. Okay, where you are stuck, Supriya? I want to. Do you want me to explain from the starting of the lab? Very first step of the lab, or should I explain from starting of the learning path, or should I explain from navigation? From navigation bar. Okay, no worries, no worries. Navigation menu. See, here already is saying navigation menu. This is a navigation menu. Navigation menu is already down here also. Just if you go to the lab, let me open the home. Okay, sorry. My my mic was muted. Okay. Okay. From where you want me to explain others? Can you tell me from where I want to where you are stuck? Is it from starting lab, or should I explain from after opening the lab what you have to do? Can you from where I have to explain others? Can you clarify me that? Okay, no worries, no worries. I'll be explaining from the beginning of the lab. No need to worry again. I'll be ending this. From very first, Adarsh and Supriya, just listen to this carefully. From very first, what he's saying that he has given me the overview that in this particular lab we are going to learn about the prompt engineering. Regarding the recording session, I have already talked to the team. They'll be sharing you very soon. So today, as it is an AMA session, I'll be available. So I'll be repeating the same queries once again. In the upcoming sessions, I'll be going through labs. As it is an AMA session, ask me anything session. You can ask me anything, I'll be explaining you repeatedly. Okay, this session should be ended in 5 more minutes. Okay, no worries. We'll be taking more time. Try to join the session exactly at 6 o'clock, guys. Please try to join the session exactly at 6 o'clock. So we don't waste any time there. The lab explores the prompt engineering. In this lab, what is saying that we are going to we are exploring the prompt engineering concept and practices for designing the prompt to improve quality of your LLM response. How your LLMs respond, it will be determined by your prompt. So you are going to learn about the prompt designing here. That is an overview. After that, you need to use an LLM, right? In the backend. To write a prompt, you need to use an LLM. Which LLM you are going to use? Gemini LLM. In Vertex app, you are going to run that and you are going to get it. Vertex AI. And coming to other thing you need to understand is Google Generative AI SDK, software development kit. For cloud, for accessing the Google Cloud, you are going to have Google SDK. That's it. Then this is just an introduction about the lab. The main concept starts from here. You need to understand detailedly what I'm going to do. Same process you need to follow. First, you need to click on start. Just if you read this instruction also, you can understand. Labs are timed and you need to complete. You can't pause the lab. Yeah. If you start the lab, you cannot pause it. You need to end it. Right now, I have ended the lab. Okay. That will be available, but if I am trying to do anything though, it will not work because I have stopped that. Read this instruction, lose labs are timed. Okay. The timer which starts when you click on start shows how long. Yeah. In 45 minutes, you need to complete the lab. This hands-on lab lets you do the lab activity in the real cloud environment. See, detailedly everything is given in this, what I have explained before. This lab, this hands-on lab lets you do the lab activity in the real-time cloud environment. In the real-time cloud environment, what do you mean by real-time cloud environment? Whatever the temporary environment is real, in the same way it is going to look, but it is just for temporary. That is what he has given here, not in the stimulation or the demo environment. See, they are not giving any stimulation or demo environment. Real, it is in real cloud. It is just a temporary, but it is everything is real. Does so by giving you a new temporary credentials. See, temporary credentials. You sign up and access Google for duration of lab. For this 45 minutes only, your lab will be there. After that, if you are trying to complete those, continue with this account, that account will not work. After that, use incognito mode. Why is saying that incognito mode? To run your lab. This private conflicts, this prevent conflicts between your personal account and student account, which may cause extra charges in the area. If you click on start here, then it is asking, okay, it is it is a student account, guys. If you click on this, it is a student account. It isn't just a temporary account. Why he has given a student account? It is free for a student there. For US student is only. So that's why he has given a student account. It is a cloud, Google Cloud Console. If you want to access this Google Cloud Console, it is paid, guys. To complete this lab, we need a Google access, but it is paid. How can we can complete the lab? So Google has given a temporary lab access here. That is what a start lab. If you click on start lab, that is what a temporary credentials are. Okay, are you clear with now? Up till here, everything is clear, right, guys? I want a response from Adarsh and okay, Anant is clear. Adarsh and Adarsh, are you clear? Yeah. This is I know you are clear in the previous session also. Yes, Adarsh, I need a response from you so that I can continue. Okay, let's continue. Like just into the session or no? Okay, no problem. Thank you for your responses. I have stopped the lab and I have restarted the lab again to make you understand others. Just give me a response. That's enough. Okay. I don't know where he has. Okay, let's continue the lab. Just don't waste the time anymore. Have stopped the lab and have started it again. Just give me a response to this. That's what I'm asking, right? Right. Let's open it in an incognito mode now. Then after opening it in an incognito mode, just what he had said that just right click on it, open it in incognito mode. He is going to say, see. Oh, right click on it and open it in. That is what he's saying. After that, you have an account is not logging. If you have you can use this account like credentials. Mostly it will be logged. Then you will be clicking on I understood. After clicking on understood, you need to click on these navigation bars. Okay. You need to click on this navigation bar because we can access Vertex Lab here only. We have clicked on I vertex. Then we have clicked on workbench. If I am clicking on workbench, here you can access your Jupyter vertex AI Jupyter notebook. Then he is going to say that open Jupyter notebook. Just click on open Jupyter notebook. Then in a new tab, you can see that your Jupyter notebook is open. Up till here, everything is clear, right, guys? Click on vertex. After clicking on vertex, click on workbench. After clicking on workbench, then you need to open the notebook. A Jupyter notebook will be opened in the new tab. Yes, guys, up till here, everything is clear, right? Yes. Yeah, no one in morning. We have only. Okay, thank you for your reply. Adarsh. You are back. Thank you. Okay. We don't have any WhatsApp group for now. We have only Telegram channel. You can. I'll be sharing the details. I'll be sharing any files if you are needed in the Telegram channel also. Telegram channel is best because there you can give. We can add multiple unnumbered or n number of people. We don't have a limit for that. But in WhatsApp channel we have only 1,000 people though. So we are Telegram channel. After that, what he's saying? He's saying that okay, we have gone through navigation, vertex A, workbench, open Jupyter node. After what he's saying that open the intro prompt design file. Open the intro prompt design file. I hope everyone can define file. Just double click on it. See, don't change this Python 3. Choose the same kernel. See, don't change the Python 3. See, select the kernel. So it will be by default. No worries. If you are able to attend this session, that's more than enough. If you are, mostly you need to complete the labs. If you are completing the labs, generative AI, most of the generative concepts will be covered in the labs. Regarding the previous session, I have already contacted the team. They'll be sharing you very soon. If you know other tracks are working already, AI, UP AI is there, UP AIML is there, UFP, Power BI is also there. So they are working on recording. They'll be sharing very soon. No worries regarding the recording. Coming to labs, let's go and what he has told us to after going to intro design, what he have told us. After going into the intro design, he is saying that started run through the get started and import all the libraries. And he is saying to import all the libraries. Where are the libraries? Just he's saying that both the get started means understand what are the things are covered in the get started. Okay, we can open. Just practice in the Google Colab also. That's good. You can go through them. No worries. What we have in a Google Colab, total section is covered here. Okay. Later on sessions you can go if you want to. If you want to go to the lab again, those details are covered in the Google Lab, Google Colab also. You can copy this and cover it in the Google Colab also. He's saying open in Google Colab also. If you click it, you can cover it later on if you want to go to the lab again. After that, he's saying that this notebook covers the effective prompt engineering as we already discussed with the overview. We are going to cover the prompt engineering. First, we are going to cover be conceive in a prompt. Then we are going to cover be specific and well defined and ask a type. Everything will be covered. The very first step we need to do is install all the requirements. Let it run. What does the asterisk mean? It is running, right? It has run. Let now again this running. All the libraries are importing. Now, if you get back here, we have completed. Okay, install packages and import library. Did we complete in package installing and importing libraries, guys? Respond me. Did we complete that? Did I complete package installing and importing libraries? Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you for your response. Is Abhishek only one is listening to the class? First of all, what are you doing, guys? The one who has doubts. Did we complete importing libraries and packages? Yeah, thank you, thank you. What do you mean by importing libraries? Means what it means? If you know basic Python, you can understand that. Pip means you are going to install libraries. Import means you are going to import those libraries. First, you need to install those libraries, then only you can import that. What do you mean by installing and importing means? Just I will give you a small example. If you want to play cricket, first you need a bat first, right? In the same way, first you need to buy a bat. In the same way, you are installing first. Let's say in place of cricket, I will be giving a simple example. You want to play a game. Let's say PUBG itself. You want to say you want to play BGMI in your mobile. First, you are going to install the application. Pip install for installing. You are going to use Play Store. But installing in Python, you are going to use pip. You have installed those libraries, required libraries. After that, you are clicking on icon. That means app is opening. If you are not opening the app, how you can run this lab, right? In the same way, you are importing this library to this particular notebook so that you can use those library and complete that project. I hope you are clear now. Then this is a code which you need to follow. Import OS. What import OS means? You are importing the OS. Project ID, your project ID. By default, it is going to fill guys project ID. You don't need to fill it anywhere. No need to change anything. Just run this. That's more than enough. That do you use Vertex AI? That's what you're saying. Client you use your Vertex AI. And what model you are going to use? Gemini 2.0 Flash, 2.5, 2.5 Flash. Regarding the these versions, I will be discussing again in the Monday's class. No need to worry. I've already discussed this in the previous class. We have gone through Google AI Studio. No worries, we'll be discussing about it again. Okay. Then after completing of importing labs and of all this, what we need to do? Just we need to check out the progress. If you click on check out the progress, it has already been given 10 marks. See, installing and packaging, we have 10 marks. Those 10 marks has been given. In the same way, you need to complete the Conceive step also not recommended. From this prompt is not recommended. Why? Let's see. Do what do you think could be the good name of a flower shop? That's what he's saying. It is just a huge prompt. In the prompt, if you're on this prompt works great. This prompts work and it's going to give the output. But to improve our prompt engineering, to what is a prompt engineering, guys? Basically, why companies are hiring prompt engineering? Because they want to cut the cost of LLM. I'll be explaining this process again, why the importance of the prompt engineering are increasing. I'll be explaining that again, no worries. This is and wrong prompt is saying that why it is unrecommended, not recommended, and why this is recommended. Because this is short. The short he has explained that he is selling a dry flowers and we needed names for that and name for it. If I run this and if I run that, my console lab is the conceive is completed. The conceive activity is completed. Let me show. See, I have run this, and if I check the progress again, if I check conceive part, we have completed, right? Yes or no? Did I complete the conceive? No, sir. We have to charge the project ID. Okay. Did he say to change the project ID? For project ID. Okay. Sorry. Did he give it right? Okay. Sorry for that. Guys, if you are not changing also it is working. Better if you change, okay? Firm, okay. Let me check. Is it compulsory to choose for project ID you use? If you use this project IDs also, or is if you are not using also it is working. Okay. Better use the project ID also, guys. Okay. In the project ID option, use keep the project ID which he has given. Control B. Let me run this again. Control S, Shift Enter, Shift Enter, and just change the product ID, guys. One of your friends that you need to change it. If you are not changing, also that's for great. But later on session, if you face any issue, now we are facing any. If you are not facing any issue right now, but you can face an issue, so change the project ID. Okay, am I clear with that? Project ID is already given here. Thank you for that, Abhinav. Once again, Abhinav, thank you for that. Change the location to okay. Location, where is it? Okay, location. What was the location? He has given me location US West one. Okay. Okay, sorry for that, guys. I didn't. Okay, no worries. Let me run this again. If I'm not changing also, it's not working. But in the upcoming, this isn't just a beginner's lab. It will work. But in the upcoming labs, you can face an issue. So try to do that. Am I clear with that? You need to change the project ID and location also. Thank you for that, Abhinav and Shiva. Shivan. Thank you for that. Yes, guys. Are you clear with that? You need to change the product ID also. Project ID also. I need a response from everyone. Please change the project. Later on, if you are facing any issue, I'm not going to help. Please change the product ID. For now, it is for because it is in beginner labs. Later on, you are going to do intermediate lab and advanced lab. For that, you need to change the product ID. Sorry. Am I clear with that, guys? You can face any issue. Right now, it is work. Later on, you can face it. So everything should be correct from our side so that you are not facing any issue later on. Am I clear with that? I want a response from everyone. Only 3 or 4 are listening to the class. No, right? I want a response from everyone. You need to change the product ID also. Product ID and the location compulsory. Thank you for your responses, guys. Let's continue then. That that you can understand what we need to do. In the whole lab, what we need to do is, I think, someone is saying something. Sir, today is also no. Today, okay. I'll be ending the session very soon. No, no, no. The session is going to be till 7 only. Okay, let me end the session very soon. What is saying that check the consume, be consume, ask the time, watch out the hallucination, classification, improve the response example, improve the response quality by including an example. Okay, let me complete this lab first. What values? B, okay, ask per task. Right now, I'm completing after completing what you are going to get. For showing that I'm completing this as soon as possible. But if you are completing, just check everything carefully. Just follow everything and complete the project guys. Am I clear with that? You need to follow everything. Zero shot, okay. Zero shot and few shot also I'll cover in the later on session. No need to worry. In this example only you can understand zero shot and few shot means. Okay, no worries. I'll explain in the later on session. Sorry. Okay. I think my internet is slow. Oh, in internet it is very good. Then why facing the issue with opening this? Okay. Okay. Zero shot, few shot. And after here we have to complete this now. Check my progress. Okay, task completed. Everything is done. By now completed. Generate task. Classification task. Check for my progress. My progress. Classification task. It will be output. Yeah. Okay, everything is completed, guys. Now, if you do check this, everything is completed. Total task is completed, 100 out of 100. If you are running this total Jupyter notebook, everything will be covered. Am I clear with that, guys? See, total lab is completed. If I click on next, everything will be done. Yes, I'll be clicking on next now. The lifetime is just go through. See, lab also has been ended. Okay. Yes, guys. Okay. Thank you for your response, guys. This is Anand and Adarsh and Supriya. Are you clear with that, guys? Thank you for your response. Okay. Adarsh, your response, guys. Yeah, that good upcoming session on Monday is going. Please try to join the session till 6. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Have a great day. Till Monday, I want everyone to complete the first lab. Bye, guys. Till Monday, everyone should complete the first.